Anyway, sebab sama betul. Bagi orang ini sendiri Okumala. Max. Happy birthday. Abadde wowe tugira tukyaliwo. Bali kwagala sindi. Ene yo official actual after party owadala. So, thank you so much for trusting me, for trusting dance around you. But no much lava. But so that's what Sayoni. It's here, Tatia. Biduduma.
Okwerayiza ng'ate sibe bakoze eki sibe bawangudde akonkalesa omugezi akoleki ategeere abagezi bokka kabagezi bokka. Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me welcome Grandpa. Sebo Grandpa, you're most welcome. Sebo, come and give Cindy a few words for about 2 minutes as well.
Thank you so much. Good evening, or is it good night? Yes. My name is Yusuf Noah Mahmoud. I believe I'm the only man with 3 prophetic names. Oh yeah. Yes. People call me Refiga. Others call me Grandpa because I've been running a record label, Grandpa Records. I'm sure you've heard of Tempo. Oh yeah. Yeah, we did Tempo. I've worked with Cindy for 2 years, and I can confidently say this: Cindy is the most disciplined artist I've ever worked with. That's why she is, my friend, up to date. She is the most decent, disciplined, passionate. She's one person I know who can spend her last coin on her art. So Cindy, I want you to know you have my support. I'm no longer active in the music industry, but whenever you need my support, Grandpa is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Grandpa. That side is Eric. Eric, where are you? Eric, come through as well.
Thanks Okubalaga Omukwano. Mwebale kutukiikirira, mwebale kukkiriza kubakiikirira ne tuwangula. Yeah, I'm really happy to be here. Era nga obuwanguzi babusanyukire. Lwakuba sinawulira nduulu z'abawangula. Kale, nsooka okwebaza Cindy olw'okuba nga yatuwa okusobola okubeera nga tukolamu naye. Tekibeera kyangu okubeera ng'omuntu asobola okwesigana okukwasalaga mbu kikyo twala ekitegeera. Naye twakikola, Mukama yali wamu naffe right from the start. Paka nakati akyali wamu naffe. Tugenda kuddayo n'omwaka ogujja paka tugenda kuba celebrating obuwanguzi bwaffe. Teri agenda tuddako, sikyo? Sikyo? Thank you so much.